came for me, man.
What's up with you?
It came for me.
Of course it did.
It flew that close I could feel it flapping against my head.
Is that why you made that horrible noise?
Shut up. Well, I like to see what noises you made there.
Sorry, I just can't help it. That's all on video. Okay. So it's just, you were like, oh, and then you were like, ah.
Because it looked like it was in distress, but then it just came straight at me. Literally flapping his wings, came straight towards me.
It's scared.
Yeah, well, I'm fucking scared.
Right. Is the kitchen door shut?
Yes.
Right. Let's turn this light off. You need to. I think you should just come and stand with me. Let's turn this light off. The only place it's going to want to go then, if you put the light on down there, the only place it's going to want to go is down there.
Only about that big.
It's massive.
Well, it is when it's flapping its wings back. I would love to see how you react. Yeah, but I couldn't see it because the torchlight was flicking around and I could just feel it around me.
Can we video it?
I left a brolly upstairs.
Fucking blank. James, you stood at the way.
Just hopefully it'll come in.
Yeah, it's there. I knew the minute it came down you'd come running towards me.